making it. We made it by we're making it by our faith. We're making it by the belief and trusting God that God will do something. Because a lot of people giving. I thank God for people that's giving to this ministry. They help us. The vision that God's doing, we've been doing it going on since 2003. Amen. We've been doing this for a while, even before after Hurricane Katrina. We've been doing this, but we've been doing it along with us, but we're not alone because God was along with us. Amen. So we've been doing this, after people tell people don't give to that church, don't do this, don't give to them because they're not real, don't give it to them because they don't have a church and stuff, don't give it to them. Let me tell you something, stop getting stuck up on the building.
Amen.
Stop looking at what you see when you go walking at and pay your tithes and stuff. You understand me? Because know why? We are the church. You go to church, you have to bring your offering to give God the glory, reverence God, worship Him, pray for Him, listen to the pastor and stuff. But the thing about it, they got a lot of people that's in the world go to house ministry. And we not Jehovah's Witness.
Amen.